Hello everyone, my name is Zach, and welcome to my new channel. Today, I'm going to share with you how you can make money as a Pictory affiliate and make videos using ChatGPT and PictoryAI. If you're interested in earning money online through affiliate marketing, I'll provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to become a successful Pictory affiliate and monetize your efforts like never before. Trust me, no other YouTuber will give you such ideas in writing as well. Watch the full video, I will provide a referral link, just go through it and affiliate your free account. Follow the link in the description. Earnings are open, meaning there's no limit to the amount of commission you can earn. You'll qualify for cool bonuses including a free lifetime Pictory account and a $1,000 cash bonus. First, let's talk about what Pictory is. Pictory is an innovative online platform allowing users to create captivating photo stories and share them. It's a game changer for visual storytelling, and many people are already raving about it. Now, let's dive into how you can earn money as a Pictory affiliate. Remember, the more people you recommend Pictory to, the more money you can earn. Here are some hints and tips to help you get started. Tip 1. Share genuine reviews and testimonials. One of the most effective ways to promote Pictory as an affiliate is by sharing genuine reviews and testimonials. If you've used Pictory yourself and have had a positive experience, don't be afraid to share it with your audience. Authentic reviews and testimonials can build trust and encourage others to give Pictory a try. You can create review videos, write blog posts, or even share social media posts talking about your personal experience with Pictory. Be sure to highlight the features and benefits of Pictory that you find most valuable and provide your referral link so that your audience can sign up through your affiliate link. Remember to be transparent and honest in your reviews. Your audience will appreciate your authenticity, and it can help you establish yourself as a trusted affiliate. Tip 2. Create engaging and relevant content. Another key to success as a Pictory affiliate is to create engaging and relevant content. Whether you're a blogger, a vlogger, or a social media influencer, creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience can significantly increase your chances of earning money as an affiliate. For example, if you have a blog or a YouTube channel about travel photography, you can create content around how Pictory can enhance the storytelling aspect of your travel photos. You can share tutorials on how to create photo stories on Pictory, showcase examples of photo stories you've created, or even share behind-the-scenes glimpses of your photo storytelling process. By creating content that is relevant to your audience and showcases the value of Pictory, you can attract more visitors to your content, and ultimately, more potential customers who may sign up through your affiliate link. Tip 3. Leverage social media and online communities. Social media and online communities can be powerful tools for promoting Pictory as an affiliate. By leveraging platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or relevant online communities, you can expand your reach and connect with potential customers. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Follow the link provided in the description. Thanks for watching.